If you're finding yourself having a problem with your SL and SR button and they're not pressing, it's likely because this cable has snapped. And it snaps because when it's in here, it's folded over here like this. So if you're looking at this video, you've most likely taken this apart, so I won't show you how to take this apart. And it requires these 2 screwdrivers. So the cable is connected to 2 different sections. This one here and underneath here. The cable will be connected to this. And to release it, you flip this up like that. Same with this one. So in its locked position, it'll look like this. Then you just get a spudger and then you flip it, and then that will release this cable. You just gently pry it out. Once you've taken it apart, have a look at this and see if it's snapped or if it's really bent. If that's the case, you need to replace this part, and it's readily available on eBay. Okay, good luck.